Today we're talking about how to travel with your furry feline friend. If you're planning on flying with your cat, it's important to check with the airline to see what their specific requirements are for traveling with pets. Some airlines may have size restrictions for carriers, and all airlines will require a health certificate from your veterinarian. It's a good idea to book a direct flight to minimize the amount of time your cat will spend in the carrier. If you do have a layover, try to book a pet-friendly hotel or make arrangements to have someone meet you at the airport to care for your cat during the layover. When packing for the flight, be sure to bring along all of the same items you would for a car trip, including food, water, litter, medications, and a blanket or towel. It's also a good idea to pack a small bag with some extra supplies, such as a small first aid kit, in case of any emergencies. During the flight, it's important to keep your cat's carrier under the seat in front of you. This will allow you to easily access your cat if they become anxious or need anything. It's also a good idea to bring a favorite toy or treats to help calm them during the flight. Traveling with your cat can be a fun and rewarding experience for both you and your furry companion. By properly preparing and following these tips, you can ensure a smooth and stress-free journey for both of you. Safe travels. Thanks for watching. Watch more of our adventures at Instagram at CryptoPumpkinCats.